Hello, I'm Dr. Joe Ganera, and we're introducing into Southeast Asia an incredible health and wellness tool centered around one of the most incredible consumed beverages on the planet, coffee. I started my work and research in coffee back in the 1960s. I was a long-distance runner, and I discovered that coffee was an ergogenic aid. And the scientists at that time told us that it would improve athletic performance. And the problem was it improved athletic performance, but people thought that coffee was unhealthy. In 1995, in the city where I live, they discovered hundreds of health benefit phytochemicals in the coffee bean. So what we've done is a technological marvel, bringing Green SUMMA Cafe to the market, because what we've done is we've introduced coffee, mushrooms, and another incredible botanical combined together to create a health and wellness tool. Now, the reason we need a health and wellness tool is because in the 21st century, we've got a global health crisis on our hands. Degenerative diseases, cancer, heart disease, diabetes, strokes, and brain disorders of all types are exploding worldwide. And if we don't have some tools to help prevent some of these tragedies, all of our lives are going to be impacted. Number two, in 30 years in clinical practice, most of the patients that I saw showed up regardless of what was going on with them. They all had fatigue. Another big problem in the 21st century is stress. And whether it's stress from emotional experience or environmental pollution or the stress of having a job, we all have stress, and the impact of that stress affects our memory, our focus, and our concentration. And this happens at an early age in life, not just in old age. So that is a big problem, and our Green SUMMA has got some solutions to that. And the fourth thing, we've got a global epidemic of people moving from being normal to gaining body fat to the point where they're now clinically obese. And it has a huge impact on their health and the health of the healthcare delivery systems of whatever country that they live in. So these are all huge problems that require a health and wellness strategy, and that's where Green SUMMA Cafe is a strong performer. Now I'd like to explain why Green SUMMA Cafe is a tremendous health and wellness tool. Number one, it contains two different varieties of coffee. First of all, we use a green coffee bean extract. And the green coffee bean, prior to roasting, has its own beneficial health properties. But when the bean is roasted, some of those incredible properties are lost in the roasting process, and other beneficial things are created in the roasting process. So what we've done is combine roasted and green coffee bean extract to get the full complement of all the health benefits of coffee. And we've done that with a very unique proprietary liquid coffee concentrate. Number two, we've got the Ganoderma lucidum and two other species of mushroom. And why the Ganoderma mushroom? Well, in traditional Chinese medicine, it was named the mushroom of longevity. And the reason for that is anything that created better longevity had to have properties that helped the entire body. So we knew that the incorporation of these 3 Ganoderma species of mushrooms would be a tremendous health benefit to the consumer. The last thing was the Garcinia cambogia extract that we've added. And Garcinia cambogia, when you look in the scientific literature, is known for its anti-obesity properties, meaning it's going to help the body not accumulate fat. And that fat that accumulates in the body has many health damaging properties. So what we've done with Green Summa, 2 varieties of coffee and all the incredible benefits there, 3 varieties of the Ganoderma mushroom bringing about all those incredible longevity, health, and benefits. And then number 3, the Garcinia cambogia, so that we can have a tool that helps us with the ability to maintain normal body fat. And so what we've done with the introduction of Green Summa Cafe is created a healthy choice for coffee lovers around the world.